Hello students, today we are going to learn about 10th geometry, chapter 4 geometric construction. In this chapter we will learn about how to draw a tangent to the circle. So first example, draw a circle of radius 3.6 centimeter and draw a tangent to the circle at any point it without using center. So let's first draw a circle with center O and radius 3.6 centimeter. Now take a point K on the circle. Then take another 2 points, point A and point B on the circle, and draw one triangle. Now we have to draw a tangent from point K. So first make an angle congruent to angle B at point K. So take a measure with suitable distance in compass and draw one arc from point B. With the same distance from the point K, draw another arc. Then take a width of this arc with the help of compass, and from this point, intersection of this arc, from this point draw one intersecting arc. Okay, now from this intersection arc and point K, draw a tangent. This is our required tangent from point K without using center. Now let's take another example. Draw a circle with radius 3.4 centimeter. Draw a chord MN of length 5.7 centimeter in it. Then construct tangents at M and N to the circle. Okay, so first let's draw a circle with center O having radius 3.4 centimeter. Now we have to draw a chord. So for this, first take a point M anywhere on the circumference on the circle. Now with the help of compass, take a distance 5.7 centimeter and draw arc from point M and denote this point by N and join these segments. This is called as a chord MN having length 5.7 centimeter. Now we have to draw tangents from point M and from point N. Okay, so join the MO and NO with the ray. Now let's draw a tangent from point M. So with the help of compass, draw arc with a suitable distance from point M. Okay, also with the same distance you can draw a arc from point N. Then take a distance between these two arcs or less distance, or take a distance between these two arcs. From these two arcs, draw two intersecting arcs. Okay. From these two arcs also with the same distance you can draw two intersecting arcs. Then join these two arcs, you will get the required tangent. So these are two tangents at a point M and N respectively to the circle. Okay. Now let's see the third different example. Draw a circle with center O. Draw an arc AB of 100 degree measure. Draw tangents to the circle at point A and B. So first let's draw a circle with center O, radius. You can take any radius. So let's first fix the point B on the circle and draw a ray. Now we have to draw this central angle of 100 degree. Okay, so we have to make an angle at O which is called as a central angle of 100 degree. So with the help of the protractor adjacent to the 0, measure from this side 10 degree, 20, 30, 40 up to this you will get 100 degree. So this central angle is of measure 100 degree. Then draw a ray and plot the point here A. So this is of 100 degree measure. This is a central angle, and we know that the measure of the arc is equal to the measure of the central angle. So measure of this arc AB is of 100 degree. Now we have to draw tangents at point A and B respectively. So from point A with suitable distance, with the help of compass, draw two arcs. Okay. Then from these two arcs, again with this distance between these two arcs, draw two intersecting arcs and then draw a tangent at point A. Do the similar procedure at point B. With the same distance you can take, draw two arcs from point B. Then from these two arcs, with this distance between these two arcs, you can draw two intersecting arcs. Join these two intersection point with point B. You will get the required tangent at point B.